Creative, do it wrong. There is so much power in doing it wrong. First of all, the biggest thing is that as you do it wrong and nothing bad happens, no sirens go off, nobody shows up at your door, they don't take away your talent, they don't take away your paintbrush. You do it wrong, nothing bad happens, which helps to get rid of the fear of doing it wrong. And that fear is more paralyzing than almost anything else we have to deal with as artists. 2, there is momentum in doing it wrong. You can do it wrong as many times as you need. There's no limit. There's no 3 chances and then you're done. You can redo it as many times as it takes to get it right. Because as long as you're willing to create, once you're pushing past that fear of doing it wrong, you grow, you get better. Speaking of growth, there is growth in doing it wrong. I have found that if you are willing to do it wrong, and I'm speaking for myself here, so I should change that pronoun. I am willing to do it wrong even when I don't know what it is, and I write it even though it feels just frustrating. Often, that's how I figure out why it's wrong. It's from the wrong character's perspective, or it started at the wrong place, or all kinds of things. But I wouldn't figure that out if I didn't just write it. I mean, haven't you ever had the experience of looking at a piece of art and understanding why it doesn't land with you? That happens with your own stuff too, but you gotta make it in order to have that experience. Do it wrong. Now, just as an addendum, I don't mean practice it wrong. If you got it wrong, don't do it the exact same way again. Do it wrong a different way. Just keep trying, keep experimenting, keep learning, keep growing, and eventually you will get it right. Art is weird. That's how it grows. I didn't make the rules. Don't be afraid, creative. There is absolutely no consequence for doing it wrong, and you gain a lot by continuing on until you get it right. So whether you know what you're doing or not, sit down with me now and let's make something new.